Essential weight training supplements you should have. Most people have difficulty in gaining real muscles, no matter the effort they put in training and how much they manage to eat. If you fall into such category, people who are struggling to see timely results, you need to consider using weight training supplements. The following are the essential supplements you should consider using if you are into bodybuilding. Whey protein. This is regarded as the best supplement on providing quick-action proteins. You should also note that this type of protein is ready for absorption by the muscles. Whey protein is very rich in branched-chain amino acids. In addition, it contains higher levels of proteins than any other natural food source. Whey is a byproduct of cheese. This makes your muscle-building process completely natural. Bodybuilders are required to consume it several times a day. Therefore, the first thing to do in the morning and after the workouts is consuming it. Waxy maize. Carbohydrates are very important to the body as they provided the needed fuel throughout the day. They are readily available in consumed foods from vegetable and fruits to cereals, pasta, and grains. There are three major types of supplements made of carbohydrates: simple carbohydrates, waxy maize, and complex carbohydrates. Waxy starch is unique in nature and it is absorbed very quickly by the body. While proteins help build the muscles, waxy maize starch work by replenishing the stores of glycogen. It is advisable to take the supplements during the training and after the training. Fast-acting supplements are also needed to provide energy needed by the muscles at time of need. Amino acids. Amino acids are known to be simplest component of protein. Without these, the muscle tissue will not grow. They will help repair and recover the muscle tissue. They also aid formation of new muscle tissue. The common essential amino acids include leucine, isoleucine, and valine. The other amino acid you should consider is glutamine. This is used by immune system and your brain alike. Amino acids are needed as they aid faster recovery and lower the degree of muscle breakdown.